morning, July 3rd, 2021, and it's really early, so heading down to do some flames on my car. So I think I've got all the gear, got my list ready, checked it twice, keep looking at myself in the screen. Yeah, alrighty. I should have made myself a coffee, but it just means more stuff in the car. I've only got a ute, so a little box on the back with all the supplies I need. And stay over stuff. Alrighty, I better get heading, get some fuel. A 2-hour drive to Wingfield. Okay, the story is a mate from school. 20 years ago we had a conversation about his car. He's got a two-door Chrysler. And the conversation was, let's do some flames on it. So 20 years later, he has the car ready. So now I am travelling down to Wingfield very slowly through the roadworks to do these flames. They are scallop flames, kind of the big chunky hot rod ones. He wants it, over the bonnet, wrapped around the fenders and down to the bottom of the doors. So yeah, it's going to be kind of exciting, anxious little project that's going to take probably all day, but it will look awesome because it goes from white, yellow, orange to red, and we'll have a neon blue pinstriping, which I don't do that. I don't think my hand's steady enough to do that, and it would take me forever. Snowy. Anyway, better concentrate more on the road, even though I've got the camera mounted here. Yeah, I'll get there eventually. It's supposed to be a 2-hour trip because it could actually be longer. So, see you when I get there. Okay, that was a very long day. I was on my feet for pretty much 14 hours. 9 o'clock I got there. I mean, I was up at 5:30, but 9 o'clock I got there, talked for an hour with Michael, the painter. Then Shane came, the owner, and another hour, looked at doing the flames. I hadn't seen the car before then, so it was kind of like designing it on my tablet, showing them different colours and styles. Eventually we nutted it out. I did the cardboard or the paper stencils to make sure I got it pretty much close on each side. Then taping it out with the fine line and with a few adjustments here and there to get the curves correct. Then taping it all off so we could spray paint it. And then the spray painting was, like I did the white first. I wish I had gone further over with the white because the yellow ended up not being opaque. It ended up being transparent. So then that took a long time to build the coats up until I was happy with it. Then when I hit the orange, that actually just made it. And then the red was just the tips pretty much. Then Reese took over. That was 3.5 hours work for him. So I hung around, did some footage of him doing it. So yeah, and he was using a paint that he hadn't used before because he's pretty much a traditional hot rod pinstriper. So we had to use this type of paint to go underneath the clear coat. But the neon blue just made the flames just pop. And then if there was any inconsistencies in the curves, it was just finished off with that. So yeah, a long day, 14 hours. When that clear coat was done and I got the photo sent through, blew my mind. So yeah, Shane wanted a Hot Wheels car look, and he got a Hot Wheels car look, and the result is just incredible. The car won't be on the road for another 6 months, but I can't wait to see it. It's going to probably hit all the Spotto pages when it's cruising around Adelaide. So keep an eye out for it. It looks amazing. That is a Chrysler by Chrysler hardtop. And hope you enjoyed the video, because that was a process. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.